साहब जिन्होंने लिरिक्स दिए, आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा यहाँ पे आए एंड नॉट टू फॉरगेट भाई आवाज दी है किशोर दा के गाने को। हाँ? मलिक साहब आ जाइए आप भी दौड़ के। नीति मोहन, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अरमान और नीति के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं यहाँ पे। एंड बिफोर एनीथिंग एल्स, एकदम प्यार देख रहे हो तुम लोग, वीडियो देखने में बट रहा है प्यार यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह।
So हम लोग ने अभी जस्ट डिस्कवर किया गाना मनोज जी ने लिखा है एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू सिंग एनी टाइम ही राइट्स अ सॉन्ग एंड दिस इज Abhijit's first song as a composer. He's been doing so many songs and
So we need all the blessings for this song.
yes,
We need all the love and blessings.
we are all happy that T series has taken a revolutionary step when it comes to introducing independent music and singles. So I think we are part of that generation, we are part of that revolution, and we are very happy that there is a song which is not a film song, which is an old classic, and we are all fan of that old classic, and that classic has been revisited very beautifully by our friend Abhijit, rewritten by Manoj, and sung by us and Ali and Zareen. This would not have looked what it looks without you
It is
guys.
amazing.
So
Make some
very
noise for
happy.
them. Come on.
I think वो थोड़ा हम लोग थोड़ा स्कैंडलाइज होके वहाँ से भाग जाते हैं. I think that's what you see when Zareen runs off. और फिर उसके बाद it's a couple, it's a day, you know, in a couple's life, a newly married couple. और वो दिन दिखाते हैं. ऐसा कुछ अतरंगी नहीं दिखाना है. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मतलब वो ऐसे हाँ चल यार इसके बाद तो हमें ना डिज्नीलैंड जाना चाहिए क्योंकि बहुत गलत हो गया. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. And it's very Moulin Rouge-ish. It has that Victorian feel to it, the first part. And that woman who's actually a very some actress there, no, some famous actress, पता नहीं, Georgian actress.
I think we're just good actors.
Thank God you didn't say we're just good friends.
No, man. Sometimes that can be the acting. So I mean, as actors, we should be given. Hey, come on, यार, तू news बना रहा है तू. As actors, good acting, bad acting. I mean that.
Good.
Nothing else,
सबको
nothing
पता
more.
लग गया क्या टैग करना है, क्या दिखाना है, सिर्फ हमारे चैनल पर. अभिजीत, this one's for you. You know, recreating an iconic song, किशोर दा का गाना. And how was it for you?
Well, my pants were a little wet in the start when I kind of.
Oh no. Were you scared?
No,
Or was
not
it-
after the video. yeah. No, before the video, because obviously the song is a really big track, and you know, recreating it is a bit of a problem. To kind of please the audience, कि अगर आप recreate करते हो तो आपकी इज्जत का सवाल हो जाता है in that sense. But thankfully, it came out naturally because, well, बचपन से ये गाना सुनते आ रहे हैं. And I took a week or something to digest the fact that I had to, you know, recreate such a big track. But by the end of it, when Arman, Neeti were supposed to be featured, I was like, oh, I'm kind of saved. Yeah, but it was a fun experience. for
मनोज
sure.
साहब,
Yeah.
lyrics एकदम इसको भी recreate करना was not a joke यार.
देखिए, हम अक्सर बातें करते रहते हैं. जो पुराना था बड़ा खूबसूरत था, बड़ा प्यारा था खूबसूरत था, प्यारा था, लेकिन सिर्फ उसकी तारीफ करके उसके बारे में नॉस्टैल्जिक होके हम चुप हो जाते हैं. तो एक कदम आगे बढ़ाएं, जो खूबसूरत था उसे वापस ले आएं. यही टी सीरीज़ ने किया है, यही अभिजीत, अरमान, नीति, अली और हमारी बेहद खूबसूरत ज़रीन ने किया है. सो वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस.
एक कदम बढ़ाएं और अगली बार इनसे ही शो होस्ट कराएं. मतलब यही लग रहा होगा, इतना अच्छा बोलते हैं. तालियां हो जाए यार एक बार.
शुक्रिया,
Come on.
शुक्रिया.
मनोज साहब के लिए
Thank you.
कलम का जादू. Yeah. The mics are there.
Firstly, thanks that you're saying it's been recreated well. It's the first good review now, but yeah, maybe we could consider it like a tribute to him because obviously he's been an iconic figure in our industry. So I would say that for sure.
Of course, I mean it is. Anything to shoot is, but also especially I think because there was, you know, we had to keep the and such a beautiful song, an iconic song like Pyar Manga Hai, one of my old favorites. You know, and then you're showing like this really cool new, well, at least I think cool, new age couple, you know, who's there, who's newly married, and you have to keep the sanctity of that song also, which is what I love. I mean, I have to thank you guys, you know, because so many times remixes can go wrong, you know. और एक हर गाने का एक लय होता है, और अगर ये ओरिजिनल है तो उसकी वो बरकरार रहनी चाहिए. I think that is something that was really maintained, and we just worked with it. We went with it, and we followed little instruction. The scenes were choreographed properly, nicely, and that's it.
I think they're just lucky for me. They create magic for me, and I think they've created it in this one as well. I would like to think that.
मुझे हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना है, really love that song. Actually before singing मैं कुछ कहना भी चाहता हूँ इस गाने के बारे में. ये गाना obviously it was released in an era where I was not born, or people my age were not there, and they've not listened to these songs. And कभी-कभी क्या हो जाता है, you know, that golden songs get lost out for our generation here, and for them to reconnect, they if they listen to that old song, they don't connect with the sound and the you know, the production जैसा उस time पे था. लेकिन if you give them in such a fresh format and yet maintaining the melody and you know, the purity that the song had back then, I think that's amazing what Abhijit has done, what Manoj sir has done for this song. And मुझे लगता है कि मेरे age के जो भी you know, बच्चे हैं जो who listen to this song, they will connect with this song, even though it's an old song coming in a new format. They will listen to this song. अच्छा लगेगा if R.D. Burman साहब के ऊपर एक journey उनकी जो भी रही है, you know, of his songs, of his life, and जो struggles है, जो उनकी जो success की जो phases है, if they come out on cinema, I think it'll be great.
सारे scenes में कुछ ना कुछ fight थी, और I mean, okay, honestly, yeah, we are kissing on screen. So I think the memorable part was how, because we finished the song in literally 2 days. We were rushing from locations because they're all different locations, and these things have to be choreographed. You know, you can't just मतलब हाँ आज ना ये करते हैं वो करते हैं. I think it is the hardest thing to actually shoot you know, intimate scenes of any kind. I don't just mean, you know, किसी पे लदना, but you know, just
Well, I think the whole experience was memorable. First of all, you know, जब हम ऐसे वीडियो देखते हैं तो when you look at it एक audience की तरह जब आप लोग इसको देखते हो तो अलग लगता है. But when you're shooting it, it's not that much fun because there are like so many people looking at you. You have to be like, you know, there's a lot going on. तो ये जिस तरीके से आप अपने mind में सोचो, ये वैसे नहीं होता on set. And I think the most memorable experience would be the first time when we kissed in this video. He was the one feeling shy and not me. Yeah, so I think that much.
बॉडी स्प्रे ने किया है भाई, उसके पीछे स्टोरी है, सब समझोगे.
Without that, I don't think the song would have been possible.
ऐसा नहीं है. I think that was actually a very beautiful shot. It was a very nice mirror shot.
Well, it'll sound very cliched, but when I was a kid, I always wanted to be a singer and never an actor. So hopefully in the near future, when these people train me, I'll sing.
You see the look Neeti gave you right now? You better not be stepping in that, girl.
In my zone.
No, I'm just kidding. There is no dance, unfortunately. Yeah. I would love to. Yesterday I did. We had another
आपने कुछ डांस देखा इसमें? आप मुझे करके दिखा दो, फिर हम वो कर लेते हैं.